Hey everyone, in this question we have been given an equation where we need to find the coefficients for the x cube and the x4 value. We can do this by simply using the binomial expansion. So we can write this down as 5c3 into minus ax to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 5 minus 3 plus 5c4 into minus ax to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 5 minus 4. Simplifying this will give us minus 90 a cube x cube plus 15 a to the power of 4 and x to the power of 4. So we can see that for the x cube value, the coefficient will be minus 90 a to the power of cube, and for the x to the 4 value, the coefficient will be 15 a to the power of 4. In the second part, we have been given a longer equation which is equals to 240 x to the power of 4, and we need to find the positive a value. If we look at the equation carefully, we can see that this part over here was already solved by us in the first part. So we can copy the answer from there and use it to help us in the second part. So we need to copy this, as we will be using this to solve the second part. We can paste it over here for now. So if we simply expand this using a traditional method, it will be a lot of work and we are very prone to making mistakes. So instead of that, we can use a smarter approach where we can lay out the foundation and we can use that to expand with the answer that we already found in the first part. So for that, we need to first take the simpler part of the equation and write it down vertically. So this will give us a to the power of x and 7. We need to multiply it by a certain value, and these will give us coefficients of 4 x to the power of 4. Why x to the power of 4? Because it is given that they are equal to 240 x to the power of 4. We need to find x to the power of 4 because it is given in the question. And we also know that when we will add it together, we will get 240 x to the power of 4. Now if we look at the answer that we found, we can see that in the first term, the x cube is already given, and if we multiply it by ax, the final answer will be equal to x to the power of 4. If we multiply this by 7, the final answer will be x cube, which we do not need. So we will be multiplying ax to the first term and 7 to the second term to get x to the power of 4 from both these values. So we can copy it over here, minus 90 a cube x cube and 15 a to the power of 4 and x to the power of 4. Solving this will give us minus 90 a to the power of 4 and x to the power of 4. And the second one will give us 105 a to the power of 4 and x to the power of 4. We can cancel out the x values, and simplifying this will give us 15 a to the power of 4, which is equals to 240. Dividing both sides by 15, this will give us a to the power of 4 equals to 16, and a will be equals to plus minus 2. But we know that we need to find the positive value. So the final answer will only be a equals to 2.